Child, when I tell you 30 hit different, baby, my whole body aching. So what the hell do he have on? Okay, no judgment zone. Do. Y'all almost hit that damn table. Hey y'all. So I'm in the grocery store and I'm trying to pick up some things because I'm about to leave. I'm gonna go on a work trip and I need to make sure that everything is together for the house. Y'all, I'm so fucking mad. The only thing they have is them fucking chicken wings and they got the one thing of chicken legs. Y'all, what it do, y'all. Alright, so y'all, we're gonna get into it real quick because I'm just about to give y'all a little update. Y'all, when I say this weekend has been non-stop, oh my God. First of all, I've been working every day, full time, 40 hours, whatever. And I've been trying to get these contracts and invoices and all that type of stuff out. But I'm about to leave tomorrow morning, early in the morning. Like my flight is at like 6:15, something like that, a.m., which is hella fucking early. That means I gotta be to the airport at like 4:30, which is getting hella early. But I've been trying to get all my work done and everything like that together before I fly out to go to this conference. I'll tell y'all where I am when I get there. Last weekend was homecoming for Glenard and Boys and Girls Club. Y'all know I'm a teen mom for them or whatever. And it was fun. We had pep rally on Friday. We did like this little teen moms and coaches versus parents football game. Child, when I tell you 30 hit different, baby, my whole body aching. Usually I could like get out there, don't warm up or do like a little 10-15 minute warm up and get out there, bust a move real quick and be all right the next day. Baby. Not when you're 30. It don't hit like that no more. I stress for like 10, 15, 20 minutes, something like that. I give it like 20 minutes tops. And the next day, my motherfucking body was aching. The whole body aching. I'm still aching. That was Friday night. So, I'm dealing with that. But I still need to go home and pack. I need to cook, all that type of stuff. I did show y'all a little bit at the grocery store when I went, but I didn't get to cook yet because I was doing a bunch of other stuff. I was washing Mel's clothes and my clothes so that I could pack. I did my hair last night. And y'all ain't seen my hair like this in a book. I went and got my nails done the other day. I didn't get to show all of that, y'all, because it's just been a busy freaking weekend. Like, it's been hella busy. So I'm about to run to Target real quick and get some little stuff. I need to get like toothpaste. I need to get Mel some Vaseline because she's almost out. I've just been trying to make sure that the house is together before I leave because I just don't want no mishaps while I'm gone. So I'm about to run in this Target real quick and try to get a few things. And then I'm going to dip and dabble up out of there. Then let me tell y'all. So it's 5 o'clock right now, right? I got to be at the field because we have picture day for the team today. So that means I'm not going to get home till like 8:45, 9 o'clock. Still got to cook. Still got to pack. I think that's all I got to do. And, lay out Mel's clothes for the few days. And I tell y'all, I'm motherfucking tired. I went to sleep last night at 5:30. Well, this morning. I went to sleep at 5:30 this morning. I was like, I'm going to just sleep for an hour, get back up, and then go to work early. Nope, didn't happen. So I got up at 9 o'clock, got my butt out the house at 9:30, and got to work by like 10:15. But I was up doing work. Like, I took my work home and all of that type of stuff. So, yeah. So, what the hell do he have on? Okay, no judgment zone. All right, yeah, I'll be back. All right, y'all. Sorry for the background noise, but I am about to cook. So, there is some food here. I got some corn I'm about to put on the stove. I got some pork chops that I'm about to put on the grill. And then I'm gonna make some barbecue chicken. And they want to do some canned greens because that's what it is. So I'm about to cook this stuff. I'm trying to hurry up because y'all, it's freaking 8:12 already. And I still need to pack. I still need to lay out Mel's clothes. That's all I need to do. But I still need to pack, and that's gonna take a little while. So I'm gonna show y'all the whole little process and all of that type of stuff. And then, yeah. Give me a minute, y'all. I'll be back. I'll be back and be back. Here, do this one. Good job. Yes, Melrose, cook the pork chops, girl. Good. Yes. Yeah, let me see. Woo! Woo! Yeah, mama. Woo! Alright, y'all, so I got Mel's stuff laid out. So this is for Tuesday. This is just her around the house stuff. Then her gymnastics stuff and her PJs. Look. Cookies, warm hugs, and grandma. Mommy will love that. And then I got this little outfit. It's a little sweatsuit in case they go out with these little Nikes. And then this is for Wednesday, around the house and pajamas. And then Thursday, around the house and pajamas. And then another little outfit with the pants and her little 13s in case they go out. So Mel's stuff is done. Oh, and I restocked her diaper drawer, so it's nice and full. She got wipes and all that. She should be good. Hey y'all, I'm done cooking. We got the pork chops. We got the little can. It's supposed to be collard greens, but it don't look like collard greens. We got some corn on the cob. We got some, y'all, this Mel look play. I'm about to get her some chicken. Some regular baked chicken and some barbecue chicken. The barbecue chicken bustin'. And then some green beans. Look at mommy, what you eating? What you stick your finger in? Gotta be watched. Look at the other little one. Busted for real. Y'all see all them clothes I gotta fold? Jesus Christ. So y'all, when I went to Target earlier, I got this little set to put my stuff in. I need some more of this. So y'all, this is what I use. It smells so bomb. And then I use this one as well. And it goes with this for the most part. It smells that does smell good. And then I got some soap. I don't know why, because I got soap here. And then I got my toothpaste. I was gonna try this one because they didn't have the one that I usually use, so whatever. I'm gonna get in the shower. Alright, y'all. So please excuse football in the background. What's that? We just gonna close it. Alright, so y'all, I'm about to pack up my toiletry stuff real quick. It's like, I think it's like 1 o'clock in the morning. So I got a few hours until I gotta head to the airport. So I'm gonna try to pack up my stuff real quick. But honestly, this little bag is not gonna be big enough for my stuff. So I think I'm gonna go get the other bag. Yeah. Alright, so I got my little baggie. And y'all, I just went through this shit and I'm trying to figure out why I got all these damn tampons in here. Like, the fuck was I thinking? Alright. So, first of all, I really don't even know how to pack for this trip. Bag of my brush. My edge control. My edge brush. I'm gonna take my flat iron since my hair is flat iron. I think I'm gonna take my face stuff. My Sunny Cosmetics. Alright, my soap. Face. Toothbrush. Toothpaste. I'm gonna put the makeup in here. Cause I ain't got time for the bullshit. Alright.
How long you supposed to be? You about to be gone for like what, 2 years? 3 years?
I'll be gone for 3 days.
Oh, 3 years. 3 years it is.
That baby like me.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm gonna take that. Alright, y'all, I made it to the motherfucking airport. Sorry I couldn't show y'all like me vlogging, me packing and all that stuff because it was a struggle. I couldn't figure out what the fuck I wanted to wear. I couldn't get it together for shit. So I was like, fuck it. But I had to spend a little bit of time with Boo before I left. And then he dropped me off at the airport. So I'm here now. Yeah, I got a brick into my neck look fat as shit. But I got a brick into my damn flight. It's 4:55. My flight is at I think like 6:15, something like that. So I got a little while. So I'm about to sit here and edit and cool out. I'll see y'all when we board this flight. Y'all, I will say these early morning flights though, like it ain't no fucking body here, and I like that for me. I ain't got to be bothered. I ain't got to sit by nobody. Y'all got a whole fucking area to myself. Look at this shit. Let me show y'all. Nobody over here. I love that for me. So, I'm going to sit here and edit and mind my damn business. Wait for some drama to pop off.